Okay, I just wanted to go over lists really quick and tuples really quick. Okay, so in this first example of dogs, we have a tuple in Python. So dogs is a tuple of Zeus, Artemis, and Apollo. And then we print out that tuple. And then we go into our second example, which is a list because it has the square brackets. So tuples have parentheses, lists have the square brackets. And cats is a list. And then our list is of China, Kitten, and Chloe. And then we print out that list. And then the last thing we do is we are going to change an element within cats. And how we do that is we say cats, and then in square brackets, element 1. And instead of it being kitten, because remember in code we start at 0, so we go 0, 1, 2. 0, 1, 2. So I want to change element 1, which is kitten. I'm going to change that from kitten to hope. And that's what I'm doing in this statement is I'm saying cats of 1, which is kitten, change that to hope. All right, we can only do that with lists. So if I tried to do that with dogs, which is a tuple, I said, say dogs of 1 is equal to, let's say, Hades, okay? Well, this isn't going to work. It only works with lists. We can't do it with tuples. So lists are changeable where tuples are not. Okay, one common mistake with tuples and lists is instead of having 3 separate strings here, this could be 30 or 40 elements, okay? But instead of having 3 different elements, what some people will accidentally do is they will go ahead and just do a quotation mark there, and they forget the quotation marks here, okay? So they forget this quotation mark, and they forget that quotation mark. And while it will still run, we can't go to element 1 because element 1 doesn't exist because this is all considered one element because there's no quotation marks. So you do a quotation mark, then the comma, then another quotation mark for your next item, then a quotation mark, comma, and now we have 3 distinct elements. That should be it for lists. Go ahead and start your assignments.